Welcome to Travelspot, your window to the most fascinating destinations around the world. In today's episode, we're taking you on a journey through 6 of Dubai's most exciting new and upcoming attractions for 2025 and 2026. From futuristic mosques printed by giant 3D printers, to wellness resorts that feel like a tropical escape in the middle of the city, to dazzling immersive digital parks and record-breaking skyscrapers, these projects prove once again that Dubai is constantly reinventing itself. If you enjoy exploring the world from your screen and love futuristic travel content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell right now so you never miss our next adventure. Let's begin with one of Dubai's most groundbreaking projects, the world's first 3D printed mosque. Construction is already underway, and it is expected to open its doors by 2026. This will be a 2,000 square meter masterpiece capable of welcoming around 600 worshippers at a time. What makes it so unique is not just its function as a place of prayer, but its design process. Instead of traditional stone and steel, giant 3D printers are laying down layers of specially designed concrete, building the walls and intricate patterns with incredible precision. The result will be a structure that merges Islamic architectural tradition with the technology of the future. With lattice-like details, soaring ceiling volumes, and a play of light and shadow, it will be more than a religious landmark. It will stand as a living symbol of innovation and faith coexisting. For travelers, this mosque will be an unmissable stop, offering both cultural depth and architectural wonder. From spirituality and technology, we move to wellness and relaxation with Therme Dubai, a one-of-a-kind resort being developed at Zabil Park. Imagine stepping out of Dubai's buzzing city streets and into a lush sanctuary filled with botanical gardens, water features, and serene wellness zones. This is what Therme promises: a mix of natural beauty, therapeutic water experiences, and climate-controlled green environments that let you escape the heat while still feeling immersed in nature. This resort is designed to become a lifestyle hub where visitors can combine relaxation with play, culture with wellness. Whether you're interested in spa therapies, botanical gardens, or simply unwinding by futuristic water zones, Therme Dubai will be the perfect retreat inside the city itself. It represents Dubai's growing emphasis on wellness and what's called sleep tourism, inviting people to not just see more, but to rest more. But Dubai is not only about calm retreats. It's also about immersing yourself in experiences that feel like stepping into another universe. And that's exactly what AYA Universe offers. Already open in Wafi City, this futuristic digital park has been making waves worldwide. As you walk through its 12 themed zones, you're surrounded by projection art, light tunnels, glowing corridors, and mirrored rooms where reality bends into illusion. Each space is designed to transport you to a dreamlike world, combining interactive technology with immersive storytelling. Whether you're looking for Instagram-worthy shots, TikTok-friendly clips, or simply want to experience something unlike anywhere else, AYA Universe is a must-visit. It's part theme park, part art exhibition, part digital dreamscape. For those who thrive on visually stunning experiences, this attraction is nothing short of spectacular. For a more relaxed vibe, we head to the Marsa Boulevard at Dubai Festival City. This project is creating a new waterfront destination that blends dining, leisure, and vibrant community energy. Imagine strolling along a promenade lined with cafes and restaurants, pausing to watch live performances, and soaking in the reflections of Dubai's glittering skyline on the water. In the evening, soft lighting and live music make the place come alive, turning it into a hotspot for locals and tourists alike. Unlike some of Dubai's larger-than-life attractions, Marsa Boulevard is about atmosphere. It's a place to walk, eat, and simply enjoy the slower pace of waterfront living. For travelers who want to balance Dubai's fast-paced glamour with something more relaxed and human, Marsa Boulevard will be a refreshing choice. Now, let's look at something still in the visionary phase: the Ziggurat Pyramid project. Inspired by the massive pyramid structures of ancient Mesopotamia, the Ziggurat Pyramid is designed to be a futuristic megastructure, a city within a city, blending terraces, greenery, and stepped geometric forms. Although it remains largely conceptual, the ambition is extraordinary. The design hints at sustainable living spaces, vertical farms, and futuristic residences that echo the past while aiming for the future. Whether or not it's built exactly as imagined, the Ziggurat Pyramid is a bold reminder of Dubai's relentless appetite for reinvention. For now, it fuels the imagination and invites us to picture what the Dubai skyline might look like a decade from today. And finally, no list of Dubai's upcoming marvels would be complete without the Ciel Tower in Dubai Marina. Once completed, this will be the tallest hotel-only building in the world, soaring over 360 meters into the sky. It's a striking tower of glass and steel designed to redefine luxury hospitality. Imagine waking up in your hotel room with floor-to-ceiling windows offering views over the marina, the Palm Jumeirah, and the endless Arabian Gulf. The building will house high-end restaurants, sky bars, an infinity pool perched among the clouds, and all the amenities you'd expect from Dubai's most ambitious luxury hotels. For travelers, staying at Ciel Tower will be more than a hotel experience. It will be an unforgettable statement of what it feels like to live above one of the most iconic skylines in the world. As we wrap up, one thing becomes clear: Dubai is not slowing down. From faith-meeting technology in the 3D printed mosque, to wellness havens like Therme Dubai, to immersive digital universes, scenic boulevards, futuristic pyramids, and sky-high luxury hotels, the city is shaping a future where architecture, innovation, and lifestyle come together. Each of these projects is more than just a place to visit. They're experiences designed to inspire wonder, relaxation, and curiosity. Which of these attractions excites you the most? Would you like to visit the futuristic mosque, unwind in Therme Dubai, get lost in the glowing halls of AYA Universe, or perhaps book a night in the world's tallest hotel? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear where you'd go first. If you enjoyed this journey into Dubai's future, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Travelspot, and click the bell icon so you'll be notified when we explore more hidden gems and world-class destinations. Until next time, safe travels and keep exploring.